Muslim and Christianity. Thank you. About to Altaf Hussain Care and many implement orders are issue. That's good. Thank you Christianity and thank you Arab and Altaf Hussain is a. I also mentioned that Altaf Hussain is a Pakistani puppet, Pakistani ISI agent who from Pakistan to his followers going to everywhere for the Pakistan against the India and against the world. What you better understand, not the word of the game of ISI. So India has a ISI raw as a Dawood Ibrahim underworld Dawn and against the card of the Pakistan from is Altaf Hussain. So now that both sides are same equality and both are unlike the underworld or the like be the criminals or many bad habit and bad jobs and killings and many protections, money and scaring to an anarchy in a Karachistan, Dawood Ibrahim in India. So, but Dawood Ibrahim for the against used to the Pakistan as a believe in a Pakistan. Why not Dawood Ibrahim migration in 47 his family? Uh, why is migration in my with my site in 1988? Why not when my Anisama Siddiqui, who father of false prophet messenger Abdullah bin Anis, who living in Dubai, his father living to me Zahiddin Anis Ibrahim, and but he is full, he is migration to 47, but not Dawood Ibrahim's family. So Memons are connected. Farooq Sattar and the Indian Memons are connected each other still, but the and Punjabi also, but not the others. So Punjabi lobbies, Greater Punjab, Greater Kashmir, Greater Faras, Greater Israel is will be the biggest enemy for us. I mean Muslim and Christianity. Allah.